Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look. It's a get ready with me video. I just wanted to, I think it was just like a really easy, fun look, very dewy. For the eyes, I use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and for my face, I use the Becca Khloe Malika BFF palette. So these are like my main products that I'm using today. If you have either one of these, or if you just want to watch how I did this, then please keep watching. Alright guys, let's get started. Sorry, like my voice is so like, what is it, husky right now. I think I'm getting a cold, so my throat is so sore right now. And plus, I just like woke up like 10 minutes ago. Okay, so I wash my face and I have to tone. Use the Mamonde Chamomile toner, and just gonna wipe my face with a cotton pad. Yeah, like I woke up, I was sleeping and then like my nose kept itching a little bit in my throat, and I was like, like is it my allergies acting up? But every time I swallow now, like, it's a little bit sore, so I think I'm getting a cold, which is unfortunate because the weather's getting nicer now. And you know, my lip eczema and my eyelid eczema is back a little bit around here, so I'm not too happy about that. I'm really considering going back on medication, like humbug medication. Alright, and then I'm going to use the Mamonde Red Energy Serum. This is kind of like one of those serums that is kind of hot right now. You can see it like on Instagram everywhere. You can get the kit, like there's like a special launching kit sold at Olive Young. That includes the serum and then 2 samples of the Mamonde Rose Toner and the Chamomile, and the Ceramide Intense Cream and the sheet mask. So it's a pretty good deal. And this is like my 5th day using it. And I feel like my skin feels a lot smoother, definitely. The texture is really, really nice on this one. It has a lot of dimethicone, so it has that like silicone feel, which some of you guys might not like. Okay, and then I'm gonna add like another serum on top because my skin is so dry. I'm gonna go in with my oil serum from the Lotus. This is the Balancing Concentrate Oil Serum. It's really nice. It's one of those like dual ones where you have to shake it up a little bit. Yeah. I love it when like it has all this like dewy glowiness to it. So I just have to like concentrate a lot on my dry areas. Love it. Okay, and then for the cream, I'm gonna go in with the Tiam A Plus cream. Yeah. I don't know if this has vitamin C. Yes, it does. Wait, maybe not. I feel like they say to use this along with the vitamin C serum that they sell. I'm not quite sure if this contains vitamin C. I like throw away the box and I don't know what's inside. But I've been using this for a couple weeks now. It's not bad. It's not my favorite cream, but it hydrates enough. And then I'm just gonna dab like a little bit of eye cream underneath. I'm using the Medihydrophile eye cream from Wanjin Effect. Looks like this. Oops. This was gifted to me from Bmuse Korea. They're a Korean K-beauty store, like online store. Like Lisa, she's super nice, and she has a lot of great curations on her site, so you can trust, and she like tests everything, so you can trust that like she only sells really good products. Okay. All right. Now I think that skincare is done. I don't think I'm gonna prime my face because of the oil. I feel like that gave me like a nice dewy base anyway. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the color Light Beige. This is such a great foundation because it's so hydrating. I'm gonna use my Clio, I don't know what you call these brushes, I forget, but it's one of those like really thick ones. And if you want more coverage, all you need to do is just like tap in those areas. Okay, it looks good. Now I'm gonna conceal a little bit. I'm gonna just kind of color correct and brighten my under my eyes with the Jungsaemool Essential Star Zone Brightener. It's a bit dirty. It's like one of the, it looks like one of the YSL ones. I forgot what those are called. I have one, but I don't know what it's called. I always like forget names, which is terrible of me. Okay, and then, you know, you can start highlighting with this one too. Just down the nose, lip, chin. And then you can go in with the same brush and then just like tap it in. So I want my under eyes to be a little bit more concealed because of my dark circles. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer and just dab it on with my fingers. Okay, it looks so much more brightened, doesn't it? And then I'm going to powder underneath my eyes. I'm going to use my Multi Magic Miracle Powder from Helen Park. This is in color 23, which is still very, very, very light. But it sets my under eyes like crazy. I just end up using what's already in the sponge. So I just like tap and pat it in on the areas that I don't want it to be like too greasy looking. This on my lids so my eyeshadow will stay on later. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my eyes. I'll do the rest of the face at the end. I'm gonna use my Huda palette actually. I haven't used that in a long time. So I'm gonna use the Desert Dusk palette. It's so pretty, but I don't know why I don't like reach for it enough. And it has a lot of like great like neutral colors too. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Smashbox number 10 brush. It's like a nice fluffy one. And I'm gonna go in with the basic color Desert Sand. Alright, so the base is laid, and I'm gonna go into the next color called Musk, which is like a nice taupey color. Same brush, and then just go into that crease area. Okay, And this is the dress that I'm wearing today. It's this is from Zara. Got it like last year and a half ago. It has a lot of pinks and orange, so I'm gonna just do like a little mix of everything here. Let's see. I might go in with amber into the crease. Amber is this color here. It's like a nice brick color. I'm taking another fluffy brush. Just gonna work that into the crease. Okay. And then I want to kind of like brighten up this eye area with like a pink color. So I'm gonna go in with Celestial, which is this nice pink and gold shimmery shade. I'm gonna use my fingers and then apply that all over the lid. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Smudge brush and then just kind of color in my under eye area. I'm gonna go in with Musk. Okay, looks like that. And then I'm gonna go in with Oud, same smudge brush, and then just kind of shape the outer V and then drag it down to the lash line at the bottom. Alright, so pretty much the eye look is done, I think. And then I'm just going to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner with Nefertiti. It's this nice gold shade here. So I'm just going to use my Zoeva pencil brush, Luxe pencil brush, and then just go into the inner corner. As well, I'm going to use the Helen Park True Black Eyeliner Eye Pen Liner. Alright, so love this liner. I feel like it gives me like the best like precision look. And then I'm gonna I gotta tightline my waterline. And I'm gonna be using the Innisfree gel liner. This has like a little bit of sparkle, but it doesn't matter to me. I'm gonna add some really natural lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some mascara to my lashes and curl them so that they're like stuck together. Alright, they look pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna go into the rest of my face. I'm gonna use the Becca, Khloe, and Malika BFF palette. Looks like this one. I got the color in Khloe. So I'm gonna bronze my face. This bronzer is pretty good, but I think I still like that Huda one from Benefit. Alright, and then I'm gonna also use the blush in here, the darkest one in the pan. Okay. It gives you like a nice glow, which is nice. Okay, and then, you know, be a bit more dramatic, add some highlight, same palette. For the lips, I'm going to go in with iluvsaraii and Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Dulcet. Okay, I have the MAC pencil liner in Control. Okay guys, I had to do my brows off camera because my camera kept shutting off. So I just used the, what did I use? I used the TPSY Fine Brow Liner in shade Cashmere and Velvet. So it's like a powder and pencil. And then I kind of shaped the outer edge with the Easy Touch Twin Brow Cake from Tony Moly. So yeah, that's how my brows look right now. And then I went over with the 3D Browtones since like my hair is wet and stuff. So yeah, this is like the finished look. I'm just gonna spray my face with the 107 rose vinegar water just to kind of set everything and give me like a nice glow. But it's like one of my favorite mists of all time. It like doesn't like dry down. It like, I don't know, stays on your skin and it gives you like a nice dewiness to your face. Alright guys, so my look is finished. Thank you for watching my Get Ready With Me video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do. I upload every week and I do a lot of like beauty and skincare stuff at the moment, and hopefully later I'll like kind of go into different areas like lifestyle or something more like interesting. I'm still kind of figuring that out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I have listed all of the products that I use in the comments below, or description below. So if you guys have any questions or comments, then please leave me a message, and you can always follow me on Instagram or DM me on my Instagram if you have any like questions or you want to just talk or anything. So I hope that you guys will, yeah, check out my other videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!